Good morning. You're gonna see a rarity right now. Carrie's eating breakfast. What is it,
Yummy.
babe?
It's fried eggs.
They're looking at you, but there's 3 eyes. I might go do that. I haven't dipped no toast in a long time. I might try that. But anyway, she thinks it's yummy. Anyway, so here we are, cloudy again.
I hope it clears up soon.
Every cruise lately. What is up with that?
Yeah.
Must be us.
I understand.
All right. So anyway, you know the routine. Pool day.
Bye.
All right. All right, babe, where are we going?
We're going to the Captain's Diamond Party. It's a diamond party. That's where we're going. Don't ask me that. Ask yourself. Where are we going?
Somewhere.
We're going.
All right. So anyway, we're going in here.
Thank you.
Out there, Simon.
There's some prawn sushi.
A what?
Prawn sushi.
Oh, sushi. We like sushi, but we can only eat it if you say what? What do you got to say?
I recommend you.
Or
Simon
says. What you got, Cassandra?
All right, so we have some bruschetta here with cheese and vegetable.
Oh, looks yummy. Yeah.
Would you like to try?
Simon's back with.
Some raw beef.
Oh, that's beef.
Yes.
Not for me, Simon. She may want some.
Maybe the next one.
What you got now, Simon?
And you got some chicken spring rolls.
Oh, deep fried.
Yes, thank you. I recommend two.
Thank you, Simon.
Thank you.
Andrew, what do you got now?
All right, so we have some arancini made with rice fried and some cauliflower with barbecue.
Alrighty. I'm gonna pass, but she may want some. Now, Simon. What is that, Simon?
Beef tacos.
Beef tacos. Those are little tacos, Simon.
Thank you. How many pieces? Like
I,
three?
I don't eat. I don't eat red meat. Andrew, you're gonna make us all fat.
Okay.
All right, what you got?
Some dessert right here.
That's Christmas tree on a plate.
So we have some
They're
dessert
good.
right here. You want to try?
I'll try one. Either color, don't matter.
This morning. There we go. This is vacation. It is fun. Oh my goodness. Well, we just wanted to take this opportunity to. Yes, right? No, but I hope that you guys will enjoy your cruise.
So hard in the pier yesterday.
21 years with the company, with this beautiful senior management that building the happiness and the fun for you. And let's have a toast. Raise your glass all together for this beautiful cruise. Yes. Cheers, cheers. And see you tonight on the Capitan Toast. Ciao.
He's going to attack the bar manager because they can't make chocolate martinis again. They're out of Bailey's apparently for the second cruise in a row. See if it's going to be a fight. First it's polite. About 2 seconds up. There's the fake cough. And now she's getting ready to hit him right in about 2 seconds. Here it comes. Oh, here it comes. No. Just kidding. So Terry went over and talked to the beverage manager.
Very
We couldn't
nicely.
get,
Very nice.
Yeah, we
He's
couldn't
a
get
nice
any
guy.
chocolate martinis.
Very nice man.
Hold on a second. We'll be right
Hold
back.
on.
And lo and behold, there's our chocolate martinis. It's not closing time. It's not our closing time, but there's Alice. Alice? Where the heck is Alice?
Make sure you get there.
Don't spill it, Alice. Don't spill it. I probably jinxed you.
No, she's good. Alice is the best.
Oh, thank you.
There's Terry's.
Cheers.
And
Patrick wants his.
you're going to be on YouTube, you know. All right, so here we are, still in the Diamond Party.
And I know all
And
the people now.
She does, and Perseverance pays off.
We got martinis for the rest of our life on Carnival. Free.
She's lying.
I got no.
Well, they're free with the drink package.
But we will never go without another chocolate one.
Nope. He had them made special for us.
And Alice brought them.
Cheers, my
Oh
love.
my gosh, these are so good.
They are so good.
Oh my gosh.
And that's why we drink them, is because they're
We
good.
didn't get one last cruise,
And we're
we
gonna have
didn't
to-
get one last night.
The problem is we're gonna have to get another one tonight.
We didn't
Closing
get one.
video.
We didn't get one last night. We didn't get one last cruise, and this makes up for it. Thank you so much, Alice.
And he told me that he said the reason they were out last time was they were out of Bailey's, but he goes, "There's no reason to be out today. I got 96 bottles
He
of
said we
Bailey's."
should have had one last
96.
night. He's gonna check
It's a lot
it
of
out
Baileys.
now. He's gonna check it out.
All right, so we're gonna find out. We're gonna go count them.
Cheers.
Cheers. Come here to the diamond party. This is the only thing that, and we always sit right here. This is what you hear every time someone comes in and goes out. It's so annoying. It's like being home with Terry. Listen, is that not annoying? We are at the pool I'm with. Al? Al, you are the reason why I don't swim in the pool. Where are you from, Al?
New York.
New York. Oh, New York. It's cold as crap up there.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, they can keep that crap up there, buddy. All right, man.
All right, man.
And stop being in the pool.
I'll try.
All right, buddy.
No promises.
Teresa, where's Teresa?
All right, Terry's waiting on me. What are you doing, babe?
I'm waiting on you to open the door. I gotta go in, please.
You got pee?
No, I just need to get in there.
All right, sweetheart. We're going in.
Thank you.
All right, cover me. Where are we going?
We're going to dinner.
All right, we're going down one deck. And I said deck. No, we're going down one deck, and we're going to Din Din.
Let's go to dinner.
We're going to dinner. We'll see you there. We'll bring it to you.
I can do this.
Oh, boy. I don't know. These stairs are pretty well small. Just kidding. Terry, who are you talking to?
Billy.
What's he saying?
He's saying that
I'm sure he's lying about something.
What did they talk into? I thought
He said he wish he was here, but you know.
Well, he is here.
it was like a horn.
He's here in spirit.
got him right here.
Oh, yeah. There you go. Oh, yeah, that is part of him. I got my first appetizer is a shrimp cocktail. Terry got the grilled cheese with French fries, and I got her some ketchup.
Thank you, love.
You're welcome, baby.
Thank you, love.
You're welcome. My second appetizer,
Cheese tray.
cheese tray. Me, nothing yet. My second appetizer, Caesar salad. Terry's still working. But I got the salmon, which looks really delicious. I'll let you know how it is. And Terry got? She got the prime rib, but she won't move her hands so I can take a picture of the prime rib. And the man. What's up, Stan? What did you just say? You said if you came here, we were going to make noise?
Oh, you're recording.
Oh, we're on video, dude.
Nothing to say.
No.
Have you said?
What's up, potato chip? Daryl?
Got the Scarface.
Starfish.
Starfish. Starfish.
Starfish.
It's right here. I know, but that wasn't
All right, I got a banana split that's half melted. Terry got a healthy fruit plate. Really, Terry? A really fruit plate or a margarita?
Yeah, you're saying how healthy is that?
Yeah, how healthy is that, Terry? Baby, where are we? Under the boat. High class. The light's just a lie. Nothing but another friend of mine. So fine. Got me so sick, baby. You got me That's what it looks like.
And in the personal column was this letter out Patrick.
All right, we've had a fun day.
Very fun.
Like my shirt? Everybody like my shirt? Mick Ultra.
After dinner, we went to the piano bar.
And we had fun in the piano bar for about 3 hours. We had Felicia, so
She's great.
bye
Oh, she's
Felicia.
great. I loved her. I loved
She
her.
was awesome.
Loved her.
And well, you saw the video. She's awesome. And we're going to bed because we got to get up and get up early and go to Mr. Sancho's
But we got this chocolate martini,
in a weird glass.
which I'm not going to drink.
She's not. She's so
Nobody
mad.
bring me a chocolate martini in this.
Oh no, they did today. You saw it in the video
I will
earlier.
not do it. So I'm going to bed without a chocolate cookie,
At the
without hot chocolate,
Well, at the
without
ca-
ice cream.
At the diamond party, you saw we got regular glasses.
And I'm not
Free.
I'm going to bed without even a chocolate martini. But I had a great day, and I don't care. But we're having fun. But I didn't get a chocolate chip cookie, ice cream, hot chocolate, or
I got a chocolate
who
martini.
drinks a chocolate martini in this cup?
Me?
Because he is weird.
Oh, I'm not weird.
I don't want it.
Okay, well maybe a little bit.
I do not want a chocolate martini. And look at this cup. That is gross.
It makes me go to sleep.
No, it's
I've got a
awful.
back problem,
It
you
should
know.
be a sin to drink a chocolate martini. This cup. Oh my God. God. No, please.
It's so
Jesus.
good. I'm gonna lick it out. in a minute.
Please, Jesus, no.
All right.
I get a chocolate martini.
no, don't bring Jesus into this.
Oh, but I'm saying that is gross.
Jesus doesn't like drinking.
It's gross. Yes, he does. He made water into wine, but he did not make martini in this glass.
It's a chocolate martini.
Okay, good night.
Good night.
Good night.
We love y'all. All right, tomorrow
I
we're
love
going
you,
to.
Scott. I love you.
We gotta go to bed. It's 11.
Oh, I gotta get in bed.
It's 11:20.
Let's go to bed, Mama.
So we gotta go to bed, and we gotta go sleepy,
Yeah.
maybe sleepy,
No,
and then we
you-
gotta get up early and meet up on deck at 7:30,
You
and then
better not
at-
sneak off to the casino tonight.
I'm not going to get in casino.
You promise.
Oh, I said
You
damn. Sorry.
He said
Oh,
damn.
I
See,
said it
Jesus.
twice.
See, you cuss. You promise.
Anyway, I'll
You
probably
promise.
get like copyrighted.
Are you promised?
Yes. And anyway, so
He's
we're
not-
going to Mr. Sancho's
But
tomorrow.
he's not
We
going
will
to
not
casino.
bring you that.
He's
It's
not
usually
going to
pretty
casino.
ugly.
He's not going to casino either.
No, I'm going to bed.
But this right here, ugly.
Who cares? Good night, guys.
night.
Say good night. Say goodbye.
Goodbye.
No, goodbye.
Hallelujah. Bye.
Hallelujah. We love y'all. Bye.